Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pragati Mishra and it's 7 o'clock in the morning. So, good morning. You know what? I love ChatGPT and most of us uses it almost every day. You know what? The very beautiful thing about ChatGPT is what? It saves our time. It generates ideas. It gives us decisions when we share our questions. It means overall ChatGPT is very useful to us. But in my today's video, I am gonna share you the very important thing which I had realized. Have you ever noticed that we are using ChatGPT almost every day? But the most dangerous thing about ChatGPT is not about the wrong answers. It's about the too dependency on it. So, my dear friends, in my today's video, I'm gonna tell you that how ChatGPT is also dangerous for us. In just in just 3 to 4 minutes, I will tell you the everything about ChatGPT which you should take care of it. So let's start this today's video. My first question is, have you ever asked ChatGPT a question? Of course, we ask almost everyday questions and it sounds very perfect. Yes, all the time it sounded very perfect, but my dear friend, let me tell you, correctness does not mean sounding perfect. ChatGPT is a AI and AI can make mistakes. So, whenever you are using informations for your exam, health, or for important decisions, please double check that information. It's very important thing which I had kept point number 1. So be careful. Second thing, don't let AI think for you. My dear friends, we need sentences every day, but if we take help of ChatGPT writes sentences for us. It means the thinking capability is decreasing. Yes, if we don't think and we put it on our AI tool, that is ChatGPT, it means who is learning actually? ChatGPT is learning. Very important, I realized. Reading important. Watching videos is helpful. Even using ChatGPT is also useful. But we are here to increase our intelligence, not to replace it with AI. So every skill need a practice, and in today's world AI is replacing our practice with their speed. So we should use AI to increase our effort or to increase our intelligence, not to substitute it with efforts. So be careful. AI is dangerous also, and it applies to every skills. So remember, don't let AI think for you. Now let's move to the point number 3 is the dependency trap. If I challenge you to spend whole day making your own decisions without asking ChatGPT, many of us can't. Many of us uses AI for what to study, what to post, how to study, even how to think. You know what? This is very dangerous and I am explaining it why. And slowly we stop trusting ourselves. So be careful using ChatGPT as a guide, not as a substitute with your intelligence, thinking capability, efforts. So my dear friends, AI or ChatGPT is dangerous also. Be careful. So I thought this is very important which I realized and share with you. So my dear friends, use ChatGPT but with carefully. Okay? And carefully use this AI tool to increase your potential. Use it as a guide, not to decrease your potential. So let's stop here and we will meet you in a upcoming video. Till then, take care and bye.